The 2-week training at Ajna Center for Learning is a fascinating and transforming course like no other. It is about you, your life journey, how you have come to be the person you are today, your dreams, your goals, your cellular memory, the programming that determines your life, your stressors, your habits, and the emotions that influence your function, physically and mentally. The choices that await you, who you think and believe you are, and who you can become. The most unique aspect of the course is that you discover all this information not by talking or guesswork, but by testing the body, by listening to what your cells have to say. You learn how to test the muscles of your body and find out what the conscious and subconscious self is feeling and what you truly desire. The absolute unedited truth that prevents you from achieving that desire. So if you wish to become a counselor, a facilitator, or a life coach, learn how a balanced brain is programmed for new choices, how core memory can be retrained for new job descriptions, how to defuse stress by going to the moment of cause, then editing, deleting, and reprogramming the past for a more healthy and joyful present. Come and join me on this journey of self-discovery and help others do the same.